So I tried this Demodex Plus face cream, and if you've ever spent too much time Googling, why is my face red and irritated, or solutions to rosacea, you might have come across this product. I went to a dermatologist who diagnosed me as having rosacea, but prescribed me this different prescription product that didn't solve my problem, sadly. So I took matters into my own hands by doing a bit of my own online research and found that Demodex mites might be one cause of my rosacea. I went to a second dermatologist and asked that he check for these little mites, and it turns out I had a large overgrowth of them. So Demodex mites are these microscopic mites that naturally live on your skin, but when they overmultiply, they're often linked with rosacea, redness, bumps, and inflammation. And yes, that's backed up by skin studies exploring their role in flare-ups. This second doctor gave me some cream, which also didn't work very well, so I researched again, bringing me to this product. It's not cheap, but I decided I'd take the risk. And oh my God, it was worth it. My rosacea is now gone. I stopped using it after it cleared, and then many months later, when it resurfaced just a little, I reapplied this and it again disappeared. Now, the product has expired, so I'll be back to Amazon for more when or if I need it again. I didn't end up using the entire container, which is great. Doesn't look very nice there, does it? But it works. I thought when it first arrived that I was getting ripped off because there's only like 14 ml or half an ounce of product in here. But yeah, I didn't end up using it all. The main ingredient is sulfur, and although they've put tea tree oil and lemongrass in it, which also have healing properties, this stuff smells like sulfur, so it doesn't smell great, but it works. This cream is aimed at sensitive, redness-prone, potentially Demodex-related skin issues. Its goal is to calm angry skin and help your face feel less like it's on red alert. You have to use it consistently for over weeks for the changes to show, though. And though this wasn't the case for me, you might have your skin act up a little bit at first before settling into calmer territory. If mites are the cause of your red and bumpy skin, peppered with micro pimples, as was the case with me, this might be your solution too. Give it a try.